Good evening, everyone. I am Toluwanimi Obayori, the AI track. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen now.
So, Toluwanimi, are you still with us? I can't hear you anymore.
Sorry, yeah. I was sharing my screen. Okay. I'll be presenting for the AI track. I am Toluwanimi Obayori. Last week we talked about what AI is, and yeah, and we also talked about the difference between AI and ML. Okay. Um, One thing we know is AI has always been with us for a very long while, actually. Um, from your fingerprint reader to your face ID, face recognition, to how you find out AliExpress or Jumia recommends what items to buy, and then it fits what you've been thinking, to more recently your ChatGPT, large language models, and self-driving cars, Neuralink, etc., etc. So it has been with us. It's just more elaborate, more ingrained into our everyday life, infiltrating into our everyday life. Okay. Yes. So on why you should join the AIML track. AI is here to stay. That is definite. And it's a question of if you are ready for it. Okay. And this is the major reason why you should join your email track. And concerning that, um, what we expect from you from the email track is dedication, showing up, participation. It can be tedious. The AI world is evolving very fast, very, very fast. And if you're going to be part of it, you have to be as fast as it is just as well. Okay. In this open learning community, we believe in bridging the gap between or breaking the barrier of tutorial help and then making a real world project. Um, this enables you to be fast with to keep pace with the evolving artificial intelligence space. Um, okay, on the role of the mentor, we are not here um, to teach. Basically, we're here to mentor, show what you need, help um, help the learners on what they need, and some of the things that we'll be exploring during this is getting familiar with Python basics, talking about variables, data type, loops, functions, basically Python. Then from there, we can go more advanced for Python for data science, and then where we'll be talking about learning about the Jupyter notebook using pandas and NumPy and basic data cleaning. From there, we'll talk about data visualization using Maths plus Lib, And then we'll now go to the very basis of artificial intelligence, which is mathematics, talking about mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, probability. Then now getting into machine learning proper and linear regression, talking about supervised and unsupervised learning. Then going to classifications, logistic regression, the KNN. Then from there we can go to we're going to go to trees, decision trees. Basically, it's just as it sounds. There's a root node, basically the roots, and then the branches, which are the leaf node. And then basically each decisions can be made based on comparing properties by running it through a tree. Okay, from there, then we can go to we're going to unsupervised learning, um, which is basically the um, algorithm figuring things out itself. The neural network, which sounds like the human brain, the neurons. Basically, it's the name was derived from trying to imitate how humans think and then make a decision. Then natural language processing. The one of the interesting parts in this is actually building a sentiment analyzer. Then, of course, the most important part of this is building projects as we go, such as an AI chatbot recommendation system. Um, yes, the AI/ML track is intensive, going to be intensive, and will also continue to be intensive, but it's going to be interesting. We're going to have a lot of fun, basically. You are responsible for driving yourself, showing your work, and focusing on outputs. And we are here to support you as you go through all this. Thank you very much.